Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Today I have a simple recipe for you. I have today rest of calamari, so I will prepare dinner. Penne with calamari. So let's do it together. Preparing a delicious pasta is easy. So I have penne here. Boiled water, we'll start directly. Boiled water, I will put some salt. We'll add some olive oil. And then my pasta directly. Boom. Okay, so it needs 7 till 8 minutes. We will start directly prepare the rest of the sauce. So just let it. Well, we will see. Pan. Add olive oil. Okay. 1 chopped onion. Add calamari. Add 3 chopped garlic. Then we continue. Now time to add a little bit acidity, lemon juice, half lemon. Just squeeze it like that, and you will see we give the aroma. We add salt and then pepper. Smell great. Some cherry tomato, we'll just do like that. Water, like that. Use same one. Okay. Chop parsley. We'll add and then we keep like it and use it later. Basil, just cut it like that. We'll add another one. You cannot imagine how it smells here. So the penne are ready, so we'll see you later. It's time to give a little bit cream. Penne needs to be creamy. You cannot imagine here the smell. Right, it's ready now. So we'll add pasta. I will add penne, salt. Now I will add the rest of parsley that I have here and some cheese, just like that. Wow. There is the cheese. Wow. And then we will serve it like. See this, look at this. We will serve it here. Our penne, creamy. The rest, we'll make some decoration here using parsley and basil. So it was quickly our recipe today, penne with calamari. It was quickly, we did it in just 10 minutes. Please try it at home and give me feedback. See you next time, and bye bye.